Wow, this company is just not the right one. Why this company have punch card system? 1 second late also cannot. Some more they have compulsory OT. I feel that I will not fit well in this company. Hey, the next interview is today, and it's just around the corner. Hopefully, this will be the right one. Whoa!
Headquartered in Singapore, we have more than 20 years of interior design industry experience. We work with a wide range of clients in both residential and commercial sectors to create spaces that come to life. Throughout every stage of the design and renovation process, our team works laterally with our clients to provide them with higher standards of living and to ensure we bring their vision to life. Whether you're just starting your career or have years of industry experience, we provide the tools and mentorship to help you reach new heights. Here at WTA Interior, it is our mission to always push the limit of creativity and think outside the box. We believe in balancing work and life. At WTA Interior, you'll find opportunities for career growth and a family-oriented atmosphere that values your well-being and sense of belonging.
Wow, so WTA Interior has such a family-oriented environment. There are seniors that will offer guidance whenever I need help. And I can also have work-life balance. This is exactly what I'm looking for.
Ready to join the WTA Interior family? Apply today and start your journey with us.